Alex, you're in the vacuum store.
Hey, Liam Jacobson. I'm upset.
Classic Alex.
No, seriously, Liam Jacobson. I'm upset.
Okay, Alex, lay it on me.
So you know my friend Tyler? The one I hold dearest to my heart?
You guys are great friends.
That's what I thought. Till guess what?
Oh no, what happened?
She called me buddy.
Tyler said that?
Yeah. And I was all like, whoa there, pal. The name's Alex McCool. I don't know this buddy character you're talking about.
I would have said the same thing.
Anyways, pretty beat up about it.
Did Tyler say sorry?
I left before they could speak.
You should hear her out. It's probably just some big mistake.
I don't think I'm ready to face her yet.
That's completely understandable. Hey, you're Micah Simpson. You're 45 years old and need a vacuum. Ah, the usual. Classic Micah Simpson. Didn't we have woodworking class in high school? Wow, we have so much in common. First, our love for spiders and woodworking class. Wait, no, wrong Micah Simpson. There's about 20 million of you in the DFW Fort Worth area. Maybe you should hear her out.
Bye, Liam Jacobson.
Bye.
Bye, Liam Jacobson.
Bye-bye.
Sorry, thanks. Hey, Liam Jacobson. Where's Alex?
You just missed her. She just walked out the door.
I need to talk to you.
Whoa, Tyler. Where did you come from?
It's not important. Can I come in?
I guess so.
Sorry I called you buddy.
Thank you. I appreciate your apology. Accepted.
Thank you. So, about food.
You buying?
You know it, Alex.
Let's go.
to